How to update your address online. If you have moved recently and your physical address has changed, you will need to update your New York State of Health account. To get started, click on Sign In and Individuals and Families in the top right taskbar. After signing into your account, you will be greeted by your account overview page. On the left sidebar, under Options, select Update Application. You will now be brought to the Build Your Household page. Click on Next near the bottom right corner of the page, which will bring you back into the application where you can edit and change your household address. As you go through the earlier parts of your application, be sure to check if all information is still up to date and answer any additional questions asked. Now you will arrive at the Where You Live section. To update your address, click on the pen icon in the Household Address section. Please note, if you make any changes to your household address, you must complete and submit this application for these changes to take effect. Next, click on Edit. Now you can update your household address, unit number if applicable, city, state, zip code, and county. Select Next. In the pop-up, select if you would like to use the verified address or use your address as entered. Then click Continue. Now you will be brought back to the Where You Live section of your application. Please review and ensure your newly updated address is correct. If your mailing address is different from your household address, click on the pen icon and then select Edit in the pop-up. In the mailing address page, answer the question regarding your mailing address. Then select Next. If your mailing address is different from your household address, be sure to update your address, unit if applicable, city, state, and zip code. Then select Next. Now your household and mailing address are updated. Be sure to review your household information for accuracy. Next, answer the 2 questions regarding your household address. Then select Next. Now you're on the household summary page. Be sure to review identifying information, additional questions, and address for accuracy. If you need to edit any of this information, select Edit. Once you verify your information for accuracy, select Next. Please review our privacy policy and check the box below to indicate your agreement. If you need to download and print this for your records, you can do so on this page. Then select Next. Next up, answer any questions regarding Medicare enrollment. Then select Next. Then answer any questions regarding other coverage. If you select Yes for any of these questions, click on Provide Details. On the Other Health Insurance page, select coverage type and fill out the remaining fields if applicable. Next up, answer the question regarding household members' eligibility for coverage through an employer. In the next page, select the name of the household member eligible for coverage and answer the following questions on the screen. Then click Next. Next up, answer the question regarding changes to employer coverage. Then select Next. Lastly, answer the question regarding workers' compensation. If applicable, select the box next to the household name. Then select Done. Once you make your selections on this page, click Next. Next up, answer any questions regarding incarceration. Then click Next. Now, please review the coverage and status summary page for accuracy. Then select Next and fill out your income information to finish editing your application. Next up, check out our How to Report Projected Annual Income tutorial to learn more. Visit nystateofhealth.ny.gov to review your account and learn more.